Want to learn how to get logged into your Twitter account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Twitter app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You're onto the very first section of your Twitter app. Since we have already created an account and we're trying to log in, tap on login next to have an account already on the bottom. Now to get started, you need to enter your phone, email or username. You can choose of your own. Either even use a username as well, just like this. When you're done entering your username, tap on next on the bottom right corner. So you can see that now I need to enter my password. So I'm going to tap on password and enter my password. When you're done keeping it, tap on login on the bottom right corner. So you can see that just by doing it, I have been logged in to my own Twitter account. So this is how you do it. And to make sure, I can tap on this profile icon on the top left corner, Alexa Gill. So this is my own profile. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.